morning, church, and happy Father's Day to all you dads out there. You're in for an awesome morning, but right now we're going to check out what's coming up at the river. Today is the last day to register for the discounted price for His Presence Conference. It's easy to register online or at the info desk, and it's really helpful so that we can plan and order the right food and goodie quantities. Conference is for the whole family. We've got a fantastic kids program running on the Saturday morning and afternoon sessions, so make sure you have booked before midnight tonight and spread the word.
Hi church, our Meal Plus One is going well and quite a few of you have signed up. Thank you. We still need more meals. It would be great if we could fill the freezer. It's such a simple way for us all to get involved and bless our church. Just double up on a suitable meal and pop it into the container and freeze it. Then bring it to church on Sunday and put it in the freezer in the back. Simple.
Have you checked out our River website? There's so much up there, including upcoming events, podcasts, River news, prayer requests, and links to our Facebook and social media pages. If you like listening to music on Spotify, we've also just added a River Spotify playlist with the worship songs we've been doing on Sundays. Check it out at the bottom of the website. Coming up at the next school holidays is our Deep Sea Adventure holiday program. If you have primary school age kids, register them for this amazing program filled with fun games, crafts, challenges, Bible values, prizes and more. There's also something a little bit special every day, from Family Feud and Fort Wars to face painting and scavenger hunts. Check out the River Kids Facebook page for more info. That's it from us this week. Don't forget to treat your dad extra special today.